हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। कैसे हो आप सब? हाउ वाज
हेलो
योर
मैम।
वीकेंड?
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
गुड मॉर्निंग। सो गाइस, आज के सेशन का गोल है आपको राइटिंग टास्क 1 का कंप्लीट आंसर सिखाना। स्पेशली वी विल बी कवरिंग पाई चार्ट्स, बार ग्राफ एंड मैप बेस्ड क्वेश्चन। सो आज हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप इंट्रोडक्शन भी लिखेंगे, ओवरव्यू वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन दैट, और डिटेल्स पैराग्राफ भी लिखना सीखेंगे। चार्ट्स में हम ट्रेंड्स और कंपैरिजन को आइडेंटिफाई करना भी सीखेंगे। आज का टारगेट है कि सेशन के एंड तक आप बिना किसी हेल्प के परफेक्ट टास्क 1 एकेडमिक आंसर लिख पाओ। सो आर यू ऑल रेडी फॉर दैट? आर यू ऑल रेडी फॉर दैट?
Yes, ma'am.
ग्रेट,
यस मैम।
साउंड्स
यस
ग्रेट।
मैम।
बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द टॉपिक, किसी को कोई भी डाउट है, कोई क्वेरी है रिलेटेड टू द एप्लीकेशन और एनी मॉड्यूल, प्लीज लेट मी नो, because during the session I will not answer any questions. Anyone? This session is for academic students. Join in quickly. And आज जितने भी हम questions करेंगे, they are from your application only. You can put your answer, check your bank scores. If you are writing your answers with all those techniques of writing, you can never score less than 7. Minimum 7 you can target if you're going to follow these strategies. Okay. Who has joined us today? Biman Burman.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, Sujan, you're audible. This is your first class.
Yes, ma'am.
Sujan, so since how long you're using the application?
That's not too much. That's not for long days. Recent, I think 1 or 2 week ago, I just used the app.
Okay.
Then,
And when are you planning to take the exam?
first of all, ma'am, I'm not able to. I'm not the person who have the background of. Um,
You have no
I'm
idea about what IELTS is?
Yeah, I have also idea, but
Mhm.
I have lack of confidence, and I want to build some confidence after completing my 1 or 2 months.
Your voice
Then,
is little low. Sometimes I'm not able to understand what you're speaking. Can you speak a little loud?
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Am I audible now,
Yes.
ma'am? I'm planning for IELTS after 1 or 2 months because
Oh,
I have lack of confidence, and also I have my background from the schooling. I'm from the regional native language. I completed my education in native language. That's why I
no
have a lack
problem,
of confidence.
Sujan. Now, what you can do is, let me just tell you that we are about to come. Are you for academic or general? Academic.
I'm from academic.
Okay, good. Sounds great then. So, listen, we have completed our academic module, academic writing module. Speaking is already done in this course. Reading and like listening are still left. But what you can do is wait for reading and listening to complete. Once the listening is complete, I'm going to start the course again, and then you can participate in the speaking and writing section.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
So
But
within two
but
months, you will be able to complete the entire course.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, now can I join for not for the participate, but for the watching or gaining some knowledge? Is it
So
okay for that?
sorry, again, it's slow.
Ma'am, can I stay in this live session for the
Yes, exactly. You need to
gaining?
stay in.
Okay,
You
ma'am.
need
Okay,
to
ma'am. Okay.
stay in the session. Uh, because you will have an idea what we are going
Okay.
through. Okay. So
Okay,
do
ma'am.
not miss out any classes. Join all the
Okay, ma'am.
classes, stay in the sessions. Okay. All the student who has joined us today, let me just tell you that we are about to complete our writing module, but please don't worry. After completing the writing module, I have already scheduled the reading classes. You can check the application. इसके बाद मैं रीडिंग मॉड्यूल कराने वाली हूँ। आप रीडिंग क्लासेस को अटेंड करो। रीडिंग के बाद लिसनिंग मॉड्यूल होगा, लिसनिंग की क्लासेस को अटेंड करो। Once the listening classes are done, I'm going to start again the speaking and the writing module. So you need not to worry. If you're planning for exam in 1 month or 2 months, you will be able to complete all the modules. Okay? Now let's just quickly start. Yes, Kushil, you dropped your query.
Ma'am, yesterday I tried this question, ma'am, but I don't know how to means I did not understand the exact question. Means country censor the media means removing the media, regulating the
Okay, let me just quickly write your question here. So they are talking about what? Censors in media. What do you understand by this statement? First, you need to understand what is the meaning.
Ma'am, what I understand means censors means if there is any negative content that
Yes,
removed.
exactly. Censor or the censorship. It means to remove करना, block करना, restrict करना कोई भी information, कोई opinion, कोई image, कोई news before the public, मतलब लोग उसे देखे उससे पहले क्या कर देना, उसे remove कर देना, block कर देना।
Yes, ma'am.
जब भी मीडिया ये सब चीजें करता है, राइट,
Yes,
थ्रू
ma'am.
मीडिया लाइक टीवी पर हो, न्यूज़पेपर हो, मैगजीन हो, रेडियो, किसी पर भी हो, दैट इज व्हाट दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट।
Means censors the media means what media post to the public before that some negative content should remove.
What the statement says, each country censors the media in one way or the other. That means every country they control or they restrict some information that appears in the newspaper, TV, social media, or internet. So what are the advantages or disadvantages of this control or this restriction?
Okay. Just the news. That's it, ma'am.
Yes. जब वो
Okay.
कंट्रोल या रिस्ट्रिक्ट करते हैं उस इंफॉर्मेशन को, जो भी न्यूज़पेपर में आने वाली है या टीवी में या सोशल मीडिया पर आने वाली है, जो भी वो कंट्रोल या रिस्ट्रिक्ट करते हैं इंफॉर्मेशन को, उसकी एडवांटेज क्या है और डिसएडवांटेज क्या है। नाउ सपोज एडवांटेज वी टॉक अबाउट, it actually protects the children from that harmful content.
Yes,
कोई
ma'am.
फेक न्यूज है तो वो स्प्रेड नहीं होगी,
Yes, ma'am.
राइट।
Yes.
Now if we talk about disadvantage, people cannot access this information. It prevents people from accessing the information, and it
Yes,
also
ma'am.
limits the freedom of speech. अब अगर गवर्नमेंट का कोई करप्शन है, कोई मिस्टेक है, तो वो भी हाइड हो रही है,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Yeah.
So they are actually restricting different opinions, different viewpoints. Okay?
Okay.
Always understand the question very carefully, then write it.
Okay.
Now let's quickly come back to our task. What we are supposed to do today, the first one is the map. How do we write the overview of map? Any idea? We did the overview part that day. Simple formula for overview is overall and then
Comparison.
yes, we will be writing about the main change,
Yes, ma'am.
key changes, and the general trend.
Yeah.
So the main change can be the development, the modernization, the expanded form. I am writing here for you. And then general trend can be the facilities, the roads. Let me just take you to the question which we are about to complete today. You all can see on your application the map diagram, the very first one. Are you able to see this? Now and the proposed plan. Visible to all? Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So just analyze this picture very carefully and tell me about the overview. Just the overview. What is happening here? They are talking about now. They are talking about proposed plan. Yes. Anyone? Give a try.
Ma'am, airfield should be changed as a industrial estate,
Mm-hmm.
and also there is a major change between town center to A2's middle zone.
Yes. Dekho, in the map, you always have to talk about the changes. Remember the super trick. Changes. What changed actually? So what do you think? The area become more developed or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if the area become developed, it become developed with what? What are the changes? The significant
Ma'am,
changes.
They are
in networking, all the
Mhm.
town center and industrial areas like interconnected to each other by the roads.
Improvement, transformation, road.
Mhm. Yes. There are more road connectivity.
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
There are
ma'am.
new facilities to the area. Earlier, what we were having, there was
Earlier we have airfield and which is transformed into industrial estate.
yes, and the new roundabout with the new roads. New routes have been developed now. There's an additional roundabout. Earlier, it was only one near to the A2.
And ma'am, also there is
We
also
have
a
more
dedicated street.
development, more transportation infrastructure. So can I say that the main trend is about development and the improvement,
Yes, ma'am.
right? It is about development, improvement. So what shall I write? Now, what was the question? Once we are generating our ideas for the overview, we are analyzing the picture, we have to look. How many of you can analyze it?
They removed previous facility and also they add extension road.
Mm-hmm.
There is a drastical change in a roadside, and also there is a modernization as a airfield to a industrial escorts,
Great.
and there is a and also
Okay, now let's quickly write it down. Can you tell me just a one statement describing about the question? Only the paraphrasing. The first statement for introduction. The map depicts the present condition as well as the improvised plan of a specific area. Can you tell me a one-line statement for introduction? Anyone?
the map shows that there is a drastical change. There will be drastical change in the proposal plan.
So we cannot say drastical change in the proposed plan. They are talking about the present condition as well as the improvised plan of a specific area. So you can simply write the map illustrate the current layout of a town and the proposed changes for its future development. Simple. अभी देखो आपको now and proposed plan दिया. That means present and the improvised plan दिया है. So that's the future development, right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you just have to write a simple What does the map depicts or the map shows? It illustrates the current layout and the proposed changes for its future development. That's it. You need not to write anything else, just add this. Clear? Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Now, what will be the second step? You need to write the overview. In the overview, you have to talk about the main change and the general trend. So what are the main change here? Have a look again. The main trend is that there is a development, there is an improvement. And if you talk about the key comparison, you can compare. You can write here key comparison also. We need
Ma'am,
to
there is a
include the key comparison. What is the comparison here?
ma'am, there is a airfield to change
Industrial
as a
estate.
Sorry, one by one, please.
there is a major change in airfield to as
Yes.
a industrial zone.
Yes, you can
And
write about airfield and the industrial state.
and major changes there is a high upgradation in roadside area and road development. Sorry.
Yes. So what I can write it, overall, the town is expected to undergo significant development with airfield being replaced by an industrial estate. Can I say this?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
And the road network expanded.
Yes.
Talking about my major changes. That's it. So I'm talking about development here. I'm talking about my key comparison and talking about the trend also कि क्या क्या built हुआ है. Combining. Ikra, instead of using the word diagrams, use map. Okay, Ikra?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Okay.
Clear? Overview is clear? Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we have to write 2 detailed paragraphs. Now, when you are writing about the detailed paragraph, what you can do is talk about now situation first. Then in the second paragraph, talk about the proposed plan. So when I'm writing about my current plan, can I write at present?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is happening at present? क्या हो रहा है? Start looking at your directions. North, south, east, west. This is north. This is south. This is east. And this is west. So what I can see in the north side, especially in the northwest side, I can see the airfield. So airfield is located in the northwest part of the town.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
And what is happening?
In west side there is a roundabout.
Yes, western side. So we can say there is a roundabout on the western side connecting the A2 road. Connect your
Yes, ma'am.
sentences. You cannot leave it alone.
Oh,
Right? Connecting the A2 road and a gas station is situated in the southwest. Right? You can also talk
yes,
about
ma'am.
a railway line. See the railway line? The railway line, it runs vertically through the center. What else? The town center, you can talk about, we talked about airfield, gas station, roundabout, A2, railway line. Now, Mazu, please mute. Somebody is speaking in between. Please mute yourself. Saman Ikram. Now, town center, it lies to the east
So,
and it is surrounded by what?
build up area
Ring road.
Yes, it is surrounded by a ring road. And you can say the road network is simple here. So we talked about now situation. Let's come to the proposed plan. In the proposed plan, the airfield will be replaced because it's a proposed plan for future. Industrial estate. Airfield will be replaced by an industrial estate. Then we can talk about a new roundabout. New roundabout will be constructed at the intersection area near the railway so that they can improve the access to the town center. Right?
Yes.
और क्या हो रहा है? There are additional new roads, A4.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
new
Connected
A4
to
roads, yes, they will be
connected
connected.
to South town center and
Yes.
also A2.
Yes, to the different parts of the town. Gas station, it remained the same. It's unchanged. The overall road system will be more complex now so that they can enhance the transportation and the accessibility. So first write about now, then write about the proposed plan. We talked about everything. Did we skip anything?
And also they add extension of road
Yes.
connected to town center outside.
Yes, that is what we said, that they develop more roads to connect the different parts of the town.
Okay.
Right? So at present, I'm just writing the answer here. You just need to talk about it. Check the vocabulary, check the sentence formation. Is this clear? Yes.
मैम ये राइट साइड में पूरा नहीं दिख रहा कुछ सेंटेंसेस
I hope it's visible now.
No, ma'am.
And I believe the word limit is also good. Try to use complex sentences when making a comparison. We use although, we use the connectors. Additionally, sentence formation should be good. If you are writing variety of sentences, nobody can stop. Are you able to see my screen? I just put them here and see the band score. Did I use a lot of fancy words?
No, ma'am.
No.
No. And how much I scored in the task response?
8.
Yes. So when you answer your question properly, you are actually summarizing the main features of the map. You're making a comparison between present and future development of the town. When your ideas are logically connected, you can never score less than 8 in task response. Right? So please work
Yes.
on that so that you all can score 7.5 in your task 1. Okay, clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay, now let's look at the pie chart.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, Sujan.
Ma'am, first of all, when map was given, first of all, we have to provide us in section A.
Sujan,
First,
what you can do is, you just missed out 2 classes of task 1. Please rewatch those classes.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you will be on
Okay.
track with us. Okay, now let's have a look at the pie chart quickly. So this is a pie chart. What it shows, degrees granted in different fields at the National University in the years. There are 3 years: 1990, 2000, 2010. And what are those? There are different fields. The fields are computer science, business, medicine, law. 4 fields. 4 fields, university name is given, and there are 3 years. Who will tell me about the intro statement? What does the pie chart depicts? The illustrate, shows.
The pie chart illustrates the degree granted in fields such as computer science, businesses, laws, and medicine at the National University in the years 1990 and 2000 and 2010.
Good. Yes. So if I want to change, I don't want to copy the same sentence, what will I do? If I do not want to write degrees granted, what else I can write?
Graduate from?
Graduate,
The graduated degrees.
graduate degree
Who will
in
try? Who
different
will
fields.
try?
The chart illustrates the graduated student percentage in
So
the
when they say
national university.
percentages, you can say the pie chart depicts the percentages of degree. Because see, the proportions are given to you. आपको percentages दी हुई हैं. Computer science में 30%, medicine में 25%. तो जब आपको percentages दी है, you can write percentages of degrees granted. Granted को you can say awarded in different fields, in 4 academic fields. आप fields के name भी लिख सकते हो. Okay? So I
Okay, ma'am.
am writing it here. The pie chart illustrates the proportions of degree awarded in 4 academic fields. Clear? Intro statement
Yes,
is
ma'am.
clear? Now just analyze. Mayank, not 4 different years. There are 3 different years. There are 4 degrees. There are 4 academic fields. There are 4 streams and 3 years. Please just read the question very carefully. So now I'm going to talk about overall. What is happening overall?
Ma'am,
Analyze.
in each year, computer science degrees increase
Yes,
significantly,
exactly.
and
That's
also
a very good point. Because when we are writing our overview, we have to look for the trend here. The main trend is that computer science, it is increasing in all the 3 years. Over the period, I can say. 1990 में देखो 30 था, 2000 में 40 हुआ, 2010 में 45 हुआ. So जो percentage है कंप्यूटर साइंस की डिग्री का वो इंक्रीज होता जा रहा है. And it actually became the largest field by 2010.
yes, ma'am.
Now make comparison. Comparison किसका कर सकते हैं हम?
While ma'am business studies shows negative trend.
Yes, not negative,
Over the
but a
years.
downward trend.
Yes, ma'am. Business
Right?
shows the gradual
30
decline.
से 20 हुआ, 20 से 15 हो गया.
15.
और अगर हम मेडिसिन एंड लॉ की बात करें, मेडिसिन और लॉ में देयर आर मॉडरेट चेंजेस, राइट? 15 है, 10 है, 15 हुआ, देन 25, 20, फिर 25 हुआ. सो वी कैन सी ओनली द मॉडरेट चेंजेस थ्रू आउट द होल टाइम पीरियड.
3 years.
So the same thing you have to write. First, we will write about computer science, the main trend, which is happening overall. Overall की बात करेंगे. Computer science के बारे में लिख के, then you make a comparison and contrast. Write about business, write about medicine and law. जो आप एनालाइज कर रहे हो उसे आप इन वर्ड्स यहां पर लिखोगे. योर ओवरव्यू इज डन. क्लियर? यस प्लीज.
Clear, ma'am.
Good. Now, details. Now, we do not write any percentages, any numbers in the overview, but what we have to do in the detailed paragraphs, we do write each and everything. Now, what you can do? Write about 1990 first, then write about 2000, then write about 2010. So, what is happening in 1990? सिर्फ 1990 की बात करो. What you can see?
Computer science and business had
Yes.
the same percentage.
Yes, they are the most common one, and both are accounting for about 30%.
Yes.
Right? Whereas medicine and law, you can say law.
25% and
Yes, please.
15.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Medicine was shows 25 percentage,
Ah.
and meanwhile
25% of graduates. Yes.
and meanwhile 15% law students
So we can say
granted per
law
degree.
had the smallest number of graduates, which is 25%. Then 2000. What you can write for 2000?
Computer science
Has increased
has increased
significantly to
Yes.
around
and
40%. And it become again the most popular one in the year 2000. Medicine, it also rose slightly to about, like it rose 10% to 30% in 2000. कितना राइज हुआ है? 10% हुआ है ना? No, 5% हुआ है ना,
5%.
comparing to 1990. Then other one, the business degrees and the law, there is a decrease
Decline.
in the business and the law degrees, which is around 20% and 10% approximately. In 2010, computer science increased further. पहले 30 था, फिर 40 हुआ, 40 से भी 45 हो गया, and reached about 45% of all degrees. In contrast, medicine, it accounted for 25%, whereas business and law, they have the same amount, the same proportion, which is 15% each. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this easy or not?
Easy, ma'am.
You just have to
Yeah.
analyze carefully. You want me to write it down? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Whenever you see
Can
the
we
same proportion, you can just combine the statements. जब भी आपको दिखता है कि same percentages हैं, like 1990 में देखो, there are same percentages, 30-30. आप इन दोनों को combine करो. Then आपको लग रहा है 2010 में देखो business और law same है. You can combine and write. हमारा मेन ट्रेंड यहाँ पे what is happening overall, the key feature is computer science because it is increasing in each year. 30 हुआ, 40 हुआ, 45 हुआ. So take it as a main the key comparison वाला point. इसे मेन ट्रेंड में रखो. Okay?
Okay.
And there are two ways to write. Like I created 3 paragraphs. You can create, there's not a mandatory format ki you have to write detailed paragraph only 2. You can write this way. The other way is either you can combine all the years and write. Suppose you are writing only about computer science first, making a comparison in all the 3 years. आप वो भी कर सकते हो.
Yes, ma'am. We can group 2 categories in one
Yes,
paragraph.
exactly. You can. Even you can combine these and then write. That's simply fine.
Yes.
But what you need to do is you're writing those 150, 160 words. That should be correct. Analyzing should be correct. Providing the details should be correct. If you're not analyzing carefully, if you're not writing, you're not focusing on your sentence formation, your vocab, then how you will score band 7? No. Okay?
Yes.
Is it clear to everyone? The pie chart,
Yeah.
the map and the pie chart. Anyone
Yes,
who is
ma'am.
having exam in the month of June? Yes. Anyone? Now let's have a look at the bar graph. Now look at this. What does the question says? Who will explain? Yes, Mayank. I want you to try.
Okay, ma'am. The chart will show the higher quality of statement of the values delivery that having the information will
HCT graduates.
higher quality of technology.
Yes. Higher colleges of technology graduates in UAE.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am,
they're
what is
talking
this Dubai
yes,
Mills?
yes.
Ma'am, these AN Mills.
There are different
Ma'am,
colleges.
okay, ma'am.
See,
Okay.
that's why I told you to read the statement for. The chart below shows the higher colleges of technology graduates. So this chart, what it shows, the number of graduates from higher colleges of technology in the UAE. So how many colleges are here? Number of colleges are?
10.
No. How come it is 10?
5 colleges.
Ma'am,
There are
only
5 colleges. The colleges are 5. The data is divided into men and women. That means there
Yes,
are male graduates, there are female graduates, but the colleges are same.
yes,
Al Ain, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Ras Al and Sharjah. So there are 5. There are 5 colleges.
5 colleges. Yes.
Okay. There are 5 colleges, but the number of graduates are divided into men and women. So what will you write in your introduction statement?
Ma'am, the chart depicts number
Yes.
of higher college
Number of higher
graduate
college, number
students,
of graduates from higher
number
college.
of graduates, number of graduates from higher college of technology in
AE.
in UAE, yes, ma'am.
In UAE across 5 colleges.
Of 5
We can even
colleges.
mention the name of the colleges also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then you can see that the data is divided into male and female graduates, the men and women. So just simply mention this in the intro part. Like this.
Data is further divided into male and female graduates. Okay.
Now analyze this picture very carefully for overview. What is the main trend? What is happening overall? Now there are 2 things, male and female. So what do you think about male and female? Just make a comparison. Agar hum first college dekhe, men are less in number, the female are higher, 218. Abu Dhabi, women are again higher. Dubai, again women are higher. Ras, again women are higher. And Sharjah, again women are higher. So what do you think? What is happening overall?
Ma'am, the number of graduates, women
The
number of graduates
Female
are higher
graduates,
than men.
they are higher in number. Female graduates, they are higher in number in all the colleges. दिस इज हैपनिंग ओवरऑल। हमारा मेन ट्रेंड क्या है यहाँ पर कि वुमेन्स जो है वो सारे कॉलेजेस में ही हायर है, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
एंड व्हाट वी कैन ऑब्जर्व इज दुबई इट रिकॉर्डेड द हाईएस्ट नंबर ऑफ ग्रेजुएट, चाहे हम मेन की बात करें या वुमेन की बात करें, दोनों ही क्या है, हाईएस्ट।
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So the college of Dubai has the highest number of graduates. Particularly, we can talk about women. Women, they are in higher number in all the colleges, but Dubai has recorded the highest. And lower one,
Ras Al
which is the
Ras
lowest
Al
one?
Khaimah. Ras
Yes,
Al Khaimah.
yes. It has lowest number of graduates for both men and for both women. दोनों ही क्या है, लो है। सो हमने मेन ट्रेंड की बात करी, हमने हाईएस्ट की बात करी, हमने लोएस्ट की बात करी। वी कंप्लीटेड आवर ओवरव्यू। इससे ज्यादा आपको ओवरव्यू में कुछ नहीं लिखना। टॉकिंग अबाउट द मेन ट्रेंड, मेकिंग अ कंपैरिजन बिटवीन हाईएस्ट एंड लोएस्ट। डन?
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
clear till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what we have to do? We have to write a detailed paragraph. Now what you can do is start from the first two colleges, then talking about the another ones. So what are the first two colleges showing you?
Al Ain and Abu
And
Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi, yes. The number of female graduates are higher here. In
Yes,
Al
ma'am.
Ain, approximately 218 women graduate compared to 131 men. Right? And you can see the similar pattern in Abu Dhabi also. 293 females, they completed their study with Abu Dhabi College, where the male
Yes,
graduates, they are lower at 273. You have to compare the
Yes.
colleges. You have to compare the male and female graduates. Then Dubai, it shows the largest number overall with nearly or roughly you can say 457 female graduates and 426 male graduates. Making a
Yes.
contrast in RAS,
Good
they had
morning.
the smallest
जी देखो
figures with
तुमने
around
नहीं पहना
178
अपना
178 female graduates and just 102 male graduates. Then talk about Sharjah. Yes. What are the figures for Sharjah?
number of female graduates are 186,
Yes.
and the number of male graduates are less than female, that is 165.
Yes. It is approximately 165. You have to make comparison and contrast between two different cities, two different colleges, and the comparison between male and female.
Yeah.
Now, how do you
Ma'am, we have to
write?
write,
Yes.
ma'am, here we have to write approximations because the number are given.
Yes, but I would suggest that you should always use a word approximate, nearly.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. It's
Okay,
good
ma'am.
to have. Anyone having any doubt in this, please let me know.
Ma'am, in part one, what should we write, and part two, what should we write?
Sorry, part 1 and part 2.
Mean there is a four passage like introduction, overall, part one and part two. And in the line bar graph, in this bar graph, what should we write?
Okay, you're talking about the body paragraphs.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Body
So
one
I
and
am
body two.
sharing an answer. What we discussed, you can write it here. Change this with big. Read the answer carefully.
And we compare
Check this.
only between two sentences.
Now check the score. Now, somewhere I lost coherence and cohesion. My grammatical range was good. My lexical was good.
Yes,
So it
ma'am.
depends on how you're choosing your sentences, how you're writing.
आराम से आराम से
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. इसलिए I suggest every time that please, what you can do is write your answer, check your answer on the application. Some students says, ma'am, ये तो हमें हमेशा ही 6 देता है. That's not true. If you're writing like a true, how can the AI will give you 7? Now, why he's not giving me 6? Because I'm not writing like 6.
बस 5 मिनट
When
है
I'm writing like 7, only then
ओके
he can give me 7. Jyoti, please mute yourself. Right? So when you are writing like a 7 student, he will definitely give you 7 marks. Yes, Nafisa.
Excuse me, ma'am. How we can check our answers from application?
By putting your answers in the application. These questions are from application only. आप यहाँ पे अपना आंसर लिखो and just click on submit and check the band score. That's it. He will give you the score. I wrote my answer here. I clicked on submit and check band score. It will take 1 or 2 minutes and will give you the feedback.
Okay.
Right? So same way you
Okay.
can do. If
Ma'am.
you believe that you're not satisfied with what AI is telling you, you can upload your writing ka answer here. It's in the shop section.
शरीफ पहले लिख लिया चल लिख लो शरीफ लिख
ये यहाँ पे IELTS writing test by the teacher. यहाँ पर आप अपलोड करो अपनी writing को. You will get it checked by me. I personally check all my students का writing task 2, task 1. And if you want speaking interview, you can just book your interview here. Book your slots and then you can have it. Okay?
Okay.
Clear everyone?
Ma'am,
Yes.
uh, for the comparisons, we have
Mm-hmm.
we have to compare between only 1 and 2 comparison. Na? We don't have to compare among all the categories.
Now tell me how you're going to compare all the categories together. How will you write that sentence? Ki, suppose Al mein itna hai, Dubai mein itna hai. Can you write in one single sentence all the numbers?
So, ma'am.
You have to choose. You can compare between 2. Right? Or if you have same number, you can compare between 3. Like suppose if Dubai and another city which has the same number, you can write and combine. Okay. There are different ways to write. The thing is you need to analyze your picture and then write. Work on the sentence formation. Look at the variety of sentences and then write.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear everyone? Yes, please. So आज का session helpful था?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So if I want you to rate the session from 1 to 10, how much you'll give?
That will be 8 plus.
Type in the comment section jaldi se. Hi Chanpreet. It's been a long time. इकरा,
Good
यस,
morning, ma'am.
क्लासेस 17 से नहीं 18 से नहीं होंगी, as I'm not available during this time. 18th to 27 is Sunday, dear. I get it is 20, like we will be meeting now.
17 से है, 17 से है, 16 को है
Is
क्लास।
it?
यस, मैंने देखा
Let
अभी।
me, आज, no, there are 2 classes more, आज 15 है.
यस यस मैम, यस यस।
Check the application.
ओके, बेसिकली मैम आई एम फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान, सो दैट्स
Let me just check. The classes are scheduled. ये देखो 20,
यस मैम।
16 है, 17 है. The tomorrow's class will be for GT students. कल और परसों मैं 2 दिन GT कराने वाली हूँ. Then the class is again on the Monday. Reading start होने वाला है.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, this is Mohammed Umair from Pakistan.
Yes.
I just want to share my sort of feedback. Like, I recently gave my IELTS test. It was on 13 June on Saturday, and I got like 7.5.
Oh, wonderful. Please
So
share
it was
the,
just like
yes.
I've taken your recorded lectures. I wasn't into your sort of live classes at all.
Yes.
आपका जो सेशन था नवंबर वाला,
Yes.
सॉरी नवंबर वाला नहीं, जनवरी वाला, जनवरी से स्टार्ट हो गया अप्रैल वाला, रिसेंट
2nd
जो
of Jan.
लेक्चर्स थे
Yes.
आपके,
Mm-hmm.
yes, so that's what I've taken. और उसके बाद and I've taken that like in just 2-3 weeks, like I wasn't having much time. I booked my IELTS test already, तो वो मैंने लिया और प्रैक्टिस भी मैंने कुछ खास नहीं की, बट आपके लेक्चर्स इतने वो सफिशिएंट थे कि आई गॉट इनफ बैंड। और उसमें अगर मैं आपको ब्रेकडाउन बताऊं तो लिसनिंग में 7 आया, और रीडिंग में 8 आया, राइटिंग में 7 आया, और स्पीकिंग में 8 आया।
That's really wonderful. It's a wonderful achievement. That sounds so great. So can you
Thank you
share
so
your
much.
scorecard, please?
Right now,
Yes, definitely. You can send to the chat.
sure, give me a second, let me see if I can do that. I'm not sure. Okay.
Okay, what I can do is I'm sharing you. Let me just see if I can. I'm sharing you a contact number.
Okay.
Either you can share on that. Okay?
So I'm sending in PDF form. Is that okay?
Yes, definitely. That's fine.
So I just sent you like in the chat box. I sent you my test report.
And even I dropped a phone number. Yes, I got that. Do share your feedback on the application under the reviews.
Sure, man. I will do. I just want to check, like, I just want to share that on sort of live classes, because
Yes.
I was aware कि आपकी classes कब होती हैं. It's 9 to 10 in the morning on at Indian time. I think that's 8:30 to 9:30 Pakistani time. So I was waiting कि आपकी class end और मैं आपको ना like live जाके आपको feedback दूँ.
Thank you so much. That's so lovely.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
No worries. Bye. If you need any help, I have already shared a contact detail. You can contact us. Okay?
Sure, ma'am. Sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
No worries.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, so I want all of you to please just practice for writing task 1 academic, right? जितने भी टेस्ट वहां पर ऑलरेडी गिवन है, बिकॉज ये आप कंप्लीटेड एकेडमिक के लिए राइटिंग अब कंप्लीट हो चुकी है. आप टास्क 1 की प्रैक्टिस करो, टास्क 2 को कंप्लीट करो, सबमिट योर राइटिंग ऑन द एप्लीकेशन. एआई पर भी आंसर को चेक कर सकते हो, एंड इफ यू वांट टू चेक इट बाय एग्जामिनर तो आप अपनी राइटिंग को अपलोड भी कर सकते हो. आई होप नाउ अब आपके लिए ओवरव्यू लिखना भी इजी हो गया है. खुद से यू कैन राइट द टास्क 1, or still you face some difficulty, please let me know. Any difficulty you're having in task 1 now? No?
And sometimes when the question is like complicated, like the
Ma'am,
previous
question is never complicated. How you analyze the picture is the task. Have you seen any bar chart, pie chart, which you feel that now it's complicated, I'm not able to see? It's a visual information. You
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
analyze. Once you analyze the picture carefully, you need to just write it down in your words. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're having a practice at home, you can definitely score. What's your score going on these days?
Ma'am, 6.5
And what are the
sometimes.
feedbacks? Did you submit it on the application?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are the feedbacks?
Ma'am, majorly I have grammatical mistakes and sentence structure.
Then what AI can do? If you're not working on your grammar errors, nobody can help you.
Yes, ma'am.
You need to improve those errors. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Your grammar should be strong enough. So please, I just want all of you, all the new students, please practice from the application each day for at least one test, a speaking test and a writing as well. Second thing, click on the remind me button for all of the next classes. इसके बाद आपकी reading classes start होने वाली है, so that you do not miss out any class. उसे क्लिक करने से आपके पास 9 o'clock एक रिमाइंडर आता है, so that you can join your class. किसी का भी एग्जाम अगर नियर बाय है, they can try the baby code visa services. Plus, let them know that we are about to start the reading module, so that they will be on track with us. Okay? हमारे साथ वो स्टार्ट करेंगे रीडिंग मॉड्यूल, बिकॉज देखो अब ऐसे आज अगर कोई ज्वाइन करता है क्लास राइटिंग की, इट्स लिटिल डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड विद टास्क 1. Okay? Okay then, see you all tomorrow. Bye bye, take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.